Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize PropellerAds traffic monetization without policy violations. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the PropellerAds website and create your account if you haven't already. Once your account is set up, log in to the PropellerAds dashboard. Navigate to the monetization section in your dashboard. Click on traffic sources to review the options available for monetization. Before proceeding, familiarize yourself with PropellerAds policies regarding traffic source. Ensure that your website complies with these policies to avoid any violations. Next, select the ad formats you plan to use for monetization. Popular formats include push notifications, native ads, and banner ads. Choose the ad placement that aligns best with your website design and user experience. Now create ad campaigns by clicking on the Create Campaign button. Fill in the required details, such as campaign name, budget, and target audience. Be strategic in targeting audiences that are relevant to your content. Upload your ad creatives, ensuring they meet PropellerAds specifications. Review your ad creatives for compliance with PropellerAds policies. Once everything is in order, submit your campaign for review. Wait for approval, as PropellerAds will check for any policy violations. Once approved, monitor your campaigns closely for performance and compliance. Adjust your ad placements or creatives as necessary based on performance metrics. Always stay updated with PropellerAds policy changes to maintain compliance. Engage with their support team if you have any questions or concerns. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth process in authorizing your traffic monetization with PropellerAds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.